For over 90 years, Sidey has been part of homes and communities across Scotland, trusted for quality windows, doors and craftsmanship that stand the test of time. From humble beginnings, Sidey has grown to become one of Scotland's leading window and door specialists, built on family values, innovation and a commitment to customers. Now Sidey has entered an exciting new chapter with the opening of a state-of-the-art manufacturing facility at Target House in Perth. This new facility brings together the very latest technology, sustainable practices and decades of expertise, creating windows and doors designed for the future. Every product that leaves Target House carries the Sidey hallmark: strength, style and Scottish craftsmanship. From our past to your future, Sidey continues to innovate, invest and deliver excellence, just as we've always done. Sidey Windows and Doors, built on history, designed for the future, proudly made in Perth.